Okay, here's a quick review of the Enlan folding knife that I purchased on Gearbest. $8.14, free shipping. Figured, how can you go wrong, right? Okay, so I took it out of the box since I'm just holding the camera. Wooden scales. It's the model L05, and it is the 8CR13 MOV steel. Pretty sharp out of the box, not super great paper cutting yet. I haven't tried touching at the edge. Liner lock. Believe it has bronze bushings in there. Clip appears to be one position only. Tip down carry. Actually feels pretty good in the hand. No jimping on top. But locks in pretty good right there. So anyway, for $8.14, I'd say it's well worth it. Feels pretty good. Centering pretty darn good. So comes in box and some plastic. Nothing special. But what do you want for $8 and change, right? All right. That's it.